How to add keyboard shortcuts on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once here, scroll down and tap on General. In the General menu, scroll down until you find and tap on Keyboard. Here, select Text Replacement at the top. This feature lets you create shortcuts for longer phrases. Now, tap on the plus icon in the top right and type your full phrase in the first field and the shortcut text in the second. Then, tap on Save as shown. Your new shortcut will now be added to the list. To test it, open the Messages app. Here, tap on the new message icon. In the text bar, type the shortcut you just created. You will see the full phrase appear in the predictive text bar. Tap on it to insert the phrase into your message. Following these steps, you can easily add keyboard shortcuts on an iPhone.